How to record screen with system audio in Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can record your screen with system audio on an Android device. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, what you'll need to do is scroll down from the top. Head over to your notification section, and after you're on your notification section, swipe down again to view full settings. Now right there you should find the screen record option. If you don't find it, tap on the edit button right here. And after that, simply add the screen record option after you find it in these settings. After it's been added, you can head back, and to record your screen, tap on screen record, and this should open up. What you'll then need to do is tap on this a single app option and select if you want to record the screen of a single app or the entire screen. After you select that, you'll find the record audio option. Tap on the arrow right there, and from here to select your system sound, tap on device audio. If you want to record your own voice, you can tap on microphone, and if you want both of those, tap on device audio and microphone. Since we only want system sound, I'll tap on device audio and then tap on start recording. After you do that, the recording should start. And that's basically how you do it, guys, and that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.